YouTube business do's and don'ts. Do's. Plan everything. It is crucial that you plan everything you'll do with your YouTube business. From your next video to your upcoming product launch video campaign, it is important that you think about the results that you want to get before you execute. Be customer-centric. Your YouTube business content has to be customer-centric. This means that you have to create videos that make the viewer aware that you are selling a product or service and that help them make faster purchasing decisions. Be entertaining. Your message is going to resonate more with your audience if you entertain and educate at the same time. This ensures that viewers will remember your brand down the road. Be original. You have to work on creating a voice and feel that is unique for your brand, something that helps new viewers differentiate you from the competition, and that cues repeat viewers into recognizing your unique brand identity. Be consistent. Make sure to stick to a content schedule. Release videos when people expect them. Share relevant stuff with your social media followers at specific times every day, and so on. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is as important as creating quality content. Simply reply to comments, like interactions, and give shoutouts to active viewers and subscribers, and you'll keep your prospects happy. Engage with other YouTube businesses. It is highly recommended that you interact with other brands on YouTube. Find similar businesses to yours and comment on their videos. This will expose your brand to an untapped audience. Be visually attractive. Maintaining a clean professional image and neat production values will help you attract more viewers and keep existing ones coming back. A well-designed channel and videos are great for growth. Use calls to action. Always make clear what action you want a user to complete at any point in all of your videos. Be it to visit a website, to watch an upcoming video, or to submit their info. Always ask your viewers to take action. Monitor your performance. Keep an eye on your performance by tracking the metrics that are relevant to your goals, such as view times, click-through rates, and conversions. Don'ts. Don't steal content. It is okay to reverse engineer and repurpose content by giving it a different angle. However, copying content from another creator or business and reusing it as your own will get you in trouble and damage your reputation. Don't mislead. Always create content that is consistent with your keywords. Never use keywords that attract traffic to the wrong type of video just because it adds more viewers to your counter. Don't spam. Never over-promote your offers, and never spam your subscribers with notifications. Users won't buy anything just because you publish a product video every day. Don't try to go viral, at least not all the time. Going viral is sometimes a matter of luck, and failed attempts can look desperate to your viewers. So, if you plan to make a video go viral, plan well and find assistance if possible. Don't try to become famous. Becoming a famous YouTuber is not the job of a YouTube business. To have a very large viewership, you have to create entertainment-centric videos with a very mainstream appeal. Instead, focus on growing your own limited niche audience. That's where your customers are at. Don't force sub for sub. There is no point on following random accounts if you run a YouTube business. So offering to subscribe to other channels if they subscribe to yours is a surefire way to grow a fake audience that'll never buy from you. Don't disappear. If you have to take a break from YouTube for any reason, tell your subscribers and announce it on your channel. This way, people will know that you'll be back and won't think that you became inactive. Don't publish corporate stuff. Don't publish videos about your business or about very technical details of your service unless you do it in an entertaining way. For example, by publishing a behind-the-scenes or production bloopers video. Don't argue with others. Don't take criticism personal, and never argue with users in the comments. Always reply with professionalism and ignore, even block overtly toxic interactions. Don't overpublish. Avoid posting too many videos, and avoid publishing and creating every video that pops into your mind. Simply keep your intended content schedule consistent and your YouTube business will be all right.